Malaysia medical device industry, we are actually focusing on gloves, implantable devices, orthopedic devices and imaging equipment. And mostly we are also depending on rubber-based products like gloves and also plastic-based products like catheters and nasopharyngeal tubes, stuff like that. And where is Malaysia? Malaysia is currently being the hub for medical device industry in Asia Pacific region, because we have more than 200 medical devices company involved in the medical device ecosystem. Out of the 4 projects, testing facility particularly for the medical devices will be available in IBRC, Shah Alam. And like sterilization is about sterilizing the product, so it will be happening here. And the reason to have it here is because I'm trying to set up a ETO facility which is smaller compared to what we have in the commercial providers facility. Commercial provider has big chambers. For example, they have up from 10, 14, 16 to 64 pallet chambers. They are as huge as a building. Currently, we are depending on imported goods, imported products from overseas mostly. Total knee replacement, total hip replacement implants are actually being imported from overseas. Local medical device manufacturers are yet to achieve that. They are yet to meet that target, because it's a bit complicated to do those locally. However, in 2021, I realized that there is a data indicating about 80,000 ringgit worth of export to overseas, meaning someone has started to do some export to overseas. So that's why there is a need, there is a huge need in this kind of areas, where this is considered like a niche area already. The project is actually under, we obtained this project under RMK 12 and started since RP1, meaning Rolling Plan 1, and supposed to end by Rolling Plan 4, which is 2024. This program comprises of 4 different projects, whereby these 4 projects will address one, namely the testing facility for extractables and leachables of medical devices, pharmaceutical products. Second is developing ethylene oxide sterilization facility, which is what we have here in SIRIM Permatan Pau. Third is electromagnetic compatibility and radio frequency compatibility of electronic medical devices, which is located at SIRIM Shah Alam. And lastly, an incubator to develop biomodeling products through 3D printer, polymer 3D printer, whereby the incubator is located at Bukit Jalil. So we have projects at 3 different locations. Actually started since last year, and the machineries already arrived last year. So they have started with the work on this year. So like ourselves, like myself and the EMC partner, we are unable to start unless the machines are here. Locally, to be honest, we have one in SIRIM. We have the GLP accreditation already. And we also have in UKM, it's called Bioserasi Lab. And other than that, we only have from overseas, meaning overseas lab, but we have local distributors who's doing the testing for us, meaning they will do it at overseas and they will provide the results to us. But of course, it's costly because of the currency. Yeah. So that's why there is a need for us to establish such accredited facilities locally, so that we can control our cash flow. Yeah, instead of sending to overseas, we have to do it ourselves. We can do it, and medical device manufacturers are needing it a lot.